Hey everyone, so I've been rocking the Keychron K6 for a while now, and I gotta say this compact keyboard is seriously impressive. If you're looking for a space-saving keyboard that doesn't compromise on functionality, you need to check this out. First off, the size. It's a 65% layout, which means it ditches the numpad and some extra keys you might not use every day. But don't worry, Keychron cleverly keeps the arrow keys. A huge win in my book. This smaller footprint frees up so much desk space, it's amazing. Plus, it makes it way easier to reach your mouse, which is a game changer for ergonomics. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. I opted for the Keychron G Pro Red switches, and they are smooth, super responsive, linear feel, perfect for both typing and light gaming. Keychron promises a 50 million keystroke lifespan, so this thing is built to last. And the keycaps? Nice and solid, with a satisfying thock. It also has N-key rollover in wired mode, which is great for gaming, and 6-key rollover in wireless mode, which is more than enough for everyday use. One of the coolest things about the K6 is its connectivity. Bluetooth 5.1 means rock-solid connection with up to 3 devices. Switching between my laptop, tablet, and phone is seamless. And if you prefer a wired connection, it's got USB Type-C too. The battery life is insane. We're talking up to 200 hours with the backlight off. Seriously, I charge this thing like once a month. The Mac layout is a huge bonus for me, but it works perfectly with Windows too. Keychron even includes extra keycaps for both operating systems. The white backlighting is subtle but effective, and you can adjust the brightness or turn it off completely. The 2-level adjustable feet are a nice touch, letting you find the perfect typing angle. Honestly, the Keychron K6 has become my daily driver. It's compact, comfortable, and packed with features. The build quality is excellent, the typing experience is fantastic, and the wireless connectivity is flawless. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, especially if you're tight on space, I highly recommend giving the Keychron K6 a serious look. It might just be the perfect keyboard for you.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.